Welcome back to Harbro Freight, quality videos, lowest prices. Today we're going to do Amazon. It's Amazon Prime Days, and some of these deals are pretty nuts. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing, and we'll jump in. I hope everyone's had a good parking lot sale so far. Let me know what you've gotten. But let's jump right in. Just a PSA. I'm going to show you the first two price histories of the tools that I found, just to show you how nuts of a deal these are. Did I say that right? And then the rest I'll just kind of fly through. I'll have the price tracker linked in the description, and it's going to be useful in the sense of you can tell what the lowest price is if you're looking at something, because not everything is a deal. Some things are not the best deals. They're discounted, but they're not as great as they seem, and then some of them are ridiculous. Anyways, let's go. Klein Tools. Flip 20 deep impact socket set, 20 SAE metric socket sizes with mod box, case heavy duty flip sockets, 1/4 inch 3/4. Says Prime Day deal, 51% off. Do we believe it? Maybe, maybe not. $48.99. 9% claims, so you have to be quick. Lowest price these have been in the last, year and a half, has been $80 is the lowest price they've been at, and they're down to $48.99. So these, I'm pretty sure, are going to get claimed pretty quick. Now, I don't know how these compare at the big box stores, but on Amazon, they are close to 50% off. So steal of a deal here. Next, Gearwrench. This is a 47-piece, 1/4 inch drive, 6-point socket set, standard and deep, SAE and metric, $26.38, 12% claimed. Prime big deal, 44% off, $26.38. Do we believe it? $26.38 sounds like a pretty good deal for Gearwrench. Lowest price it's been in the last 10 years. This was 4 years ago, was $40.60, and it's down to $26.38. So another steal of a deal. So these are the only two that I'll go into the price history. Not all of them are this great, but still best price or really close to it. Keep going. Wiha. SoftFinish 6-in-1 multi-driver, $10.55, 30% off. Doesn't say it's a Prime Day deal, but it's at its lowest price on Amazon for $10.55. Wiha. That's kind of nice. That's just nice. It's a nice quality brand, nice quality screwdriver. Keep going. Wiha. The 28-390 insulated SlimLine interchangeable set includes handle with pouch, 15-piece. Lowest price in 30 days. Doesn't say it's a Prime deal, but $74.38. Lowest price that it's been on Amazon. We continue. Gearwrench again. The 2-piece, 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive, 90-tooth, long handle, teardrop ratchet set, 16% off, $58.30. That puts each one at about $30, which I think passes the smell test. That's pretty solid. 16% off. More Gearwrench. And here is another, I think, ridiculous deal. 3-piece, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive, 84-tooth locking flex head. These are flex head teardrop ratchet set. This is a Prime big deal. 36% off, $70. And at $70, you're getting, what is it? Each one for roughly $25, a little less than $25 each. And actually, just looking, I didn't look this one up. This is a smaller set. Also showing, this is not flex, but also showing teardrop ratchet set, $49.99, 38% off. That's roughly, what is that? $15, $16, $17 per ratchet. Seems solid. Let's continue. Dewalt dust separator, 10-gallon stainless steel tank, 99.5% efficient. Cyclone dust collector, big Prime Day deal, 21% off, $128.22. Best price. Next, this little Neiko stubby ratchet, 1/4 inch ratchet wrench, 108 tooth. It's a lot of teeth. Oval head wrench, CRV steel, 1/4 inch small ratchet, $12.32. Another Dewalt, and this one's almost completely claimed. The Dewalt dust separator with 6-gallon poly tank, 99.5% efficiency, cyclone dust collector, high performance, 26% off, $89.24. And then we keep going. Worx Zipsnip cordless electric scissors. I've been wanting to get one of these because I cut boxes with the blade. And although that's great for making sure everything fits in our recyclable trash can, it doesn't feel like the most efficient way. And I've been wanting to test one of these out, and maybe I'll pull the trigger on this one. The Worx Zipsnip cordless electric scissors. Prime Big Day deal, 23% off, $35. Then we have some VEVOR half-inch drive impact socket set, 65-piece, 3/8 inch to 1 1/4 inch metric, 6-point, easy to read, auto repair size marking, rugged construction storage case. Prime Big Deal, 33% off, $67.06. Then we have this Shark FlexBreeze Fan, indoor and outdoor oscillating fan, pedestal and tabletop corded, limited time deal, kind of pricey for a fan. 53% off, $94.99. Then we have some more Neiko magnetic screwdriver set, 10-piece. Neiko 10-piece magnetic screwdriver set. Phillips and flathead for $9.81, 18% off, solid. Then we have this Wiha extension short, kind of pricey, but it was at its best price. Limited time deal, 31% off, $26.34. Then we have this King's County Tools Yankee style screwdriver, 7 double-sided bits included, rotating barrel with hex chuck, lock, spiral in and spiral out, easy on hands. $19.06, 29% off. And then we have the Shark pet cordless vacuum cleaner, LED headlights removable, handheld vacuum for pet hair, crevice tool. Everyone needs a solid stick vacuum, and Shark, I think, is as solid as it gets. Deal selling fast, 50% off. I don't think I've seen this. Deal selling fast. That's interesting. 50% off at $150. And then a little bit away from tools, Lego Super Mario Piranha Plant. Legos always love including these. Display. We know what this is. $35, 42% off, best price on Amazon. Then we have this Lego Harry Potter, Hagrid's Hut, An Unexpected Visit, Harry Potter, 7 minifigurines, dragons, 44% off at $41.99. And then here rounding out here, we have some Bose Ultra Open Bluetooth earbuds. And if you're like me, you're always looking for some great earbuds. I've stuck with the Amazon ones, but I always get complaints about how terrible I sound. So I've been meaning to upgrade. $200 is a big upgrade. But for Bose, and no one's going to complain about sound quality. Anyways, 33% off. You can see the discount compared to all the other ones. There's a few that are on sale and then a few that are not. Maybe they are discounted, but $300 normally. These other ones are $230, but these are down all the way to $199. A few different colors. So it's Bose. I mean, they're going to be super quality. And then last but not least, some batteries. I know we got the Harbor Freight battery deals going on right now, and at a ridiculous cheap price. You can't go wrong with those. But if you're not a believer in those batteries, we have some Energizer, 12-year shelf life. Prime Big Deal, 41% off, $23. And I think these were very close to the lowest price they've ever been at, but it was like a 15-year history. And the lowest they had been is like $22 back like 10 years ago. Anyways, $23.09, super close to the best price that they've been on Amazon. And those are the deals I have. There was a bunch more. I was going through them, but I want to get them to you before some of these other deals run out because they were steals of a deals. The Klein, ridiculous. Gearwrench, ridiculous. Wiha, some of these were just absolutely need to get right away. The dust collectors. Anyways, any of these interest you? Again, I'll put the link camel into the description. So if you're doing some Amazon Prime shopping, one, you can verify that it's actually a deal. And we'll leave it at that. Happy Amazoning. I hope you find some good deals. Hopefully you're able to take advantage of the parking lot sale. Please consider liking and or subscribing if you find this useful. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.